Hey, it's Jonathan with Mobility Lift Aids. In front of me is a 2014 Toyota Sienna with 52,405 miles. This van is converted by VMI. We have a VMI Northstar conversion. We're going to go ahead and hold the stock key fob there, the right power sliding door button, for just a little over a second. That door will open, the ramp will deploy, and the van will begin to kneel. All right, while it's finishing kneeling, go ahead and take a look at the ramp here. This is an in-floor ramp. And coming inside, you'll see our 4Q straight retractable tie downs. Those are included with every van here at Mobility Lift Aids. The front, because this is a VMI, we do have both seats that are removable. You can remove one or both seats and roll your mobility device into that area, add an easy lock. We can also add a transfer seat if you'd like to transfer into the stock seat. This is one of my favorite colors on this year's Sienna. It's a beautiful silver blue. Looks great on video, even better in person. We have our blind spot monitors here on the mirror. And we'll take a look inside. Yeah, power windows. Down here we have our VMI switches. So that's going to be if you want to turn the kneel off and still use a ramp, you can turn down or to rock down that top button. On the second button, that's going to turn the ramp function on or off. We have our switch there for the blind spot monitors as well. Go ahead and grab the mileage here. Mileage is right at 52,405. We have navigation. This van is absolutely beautiful. Let us know if you have any questions on this vehicle. We deliver all around Texas locally, and we can ship anywhere in the U.S. Visit us online at texaswheelchairvan.com. You can call or text anytime at 713-939-9922. Thank you.